Hello there, lovely souls. You're watching Let's Make Room for Positivity. I am Lovely Liz. Welcome. Okay, before you watch this video, we have a disclaimer. Please be open. But if you think you're not yet ready for any new information or change, you may skip this video because this video is not for you. However, you're free to come back whenever you're ready. Sa spiritual community, ang dami kong kilala na super powerful. They totally release fear from them. They embraced their spiritual gifts even at the very young age. Kaya expert na sila ngayon in handling their gifts. I used to feel guilty of that. Nabanggit ko na to before na my spiritual gifts came out when I was 15. That time I was scared and hindi ko siya tinanggap. So, a few years ago ko na lang tinanggap ang totoong ako because of spiritual awakening. Nawala lahat ng takot, naunawaan ko yung sarili ko, and I've been working on my spiritual gifts for a few years now. All these inner work and healing made me activate not just two of my spiritual gifts that came out when I was a teenager, but a lot of spiritual gifts na hindi ko akalain na meron ako. Just like these powerful beings that I know, they are now considered not just humans, but multi-dimensional beings of this planet. They're already masters of their spiritual gifts. Like, they can go outside their body easily. Yung tinatawag na OBE, kung narinig niyo na po yun. Some, they do remote viewing. Kagandahan nito, if there's a certain situation or controversy, they can investigate on their own by remote viewing. And then they astral travel. They can go to any dimensions if they want. Channeling spirits from different dimensions, helping people heal, reading energies, having a very strong intuition, manifest easily, make abundance naturally flow into their lives, possess love and light and projecting it to the world energetically, simply because they activated the God in them, the inner Christos or the divine consciousness within. Hindi naman lahat, pero some of these spiritual gifts, sinasabi nilang evil, kaya marami sa atin ang takot sa mga gawaing ito. But it's not scary. These gifts, natural nating katangian. Lahat po tayo meron ito. So, bakit mo katatakutan ng bagay na natural na nasayo? Nasa DNA natin ang pagiging powerful. But sabi ng mga scientists noon, this is a junk DNA, walang value. But because of these amazing spiritual people, they were able to discover na yung DNA na sinasabing junk is actually powerful. So, hindi po dapat kainggitan ang bagay na to dahil lahat tayo mayroong spiritual gifts. We are all gifted. We have these gifts inside us. Hindi lang 5 senses ang meron tayo, hindi lang 6. Kasi kahit paano na-recognize yung third eye natin as 6th sense. Pero the way na inintroduce sa atin to in a horror level, ginawang nakakatakot. Kaya nga, nung bata ako, nung nag-activate yung third eye ko, takot na takot ako. Pero now I know it's not something to be scared of. you can actually set boundaries sa mga spiritual gifts na meron ka. Saka ko na po i-explain how. At sa mga bagay na to, hindi ba kayo napapaisip? Bakit sinasabi nilang evil or ipinaalam sa atin ang mga bagay na to in a horrific way? Para ba manatili tayo sa ilalim ng kapangyarihan ng mga nilalang na gustong maghari sa mundong ito? Na kung mapapansin nyo, ang way ng pamumuno sa mundong to ay narcissistic leadership. More on narcissist, manipulative leaders ang laging namumuno. Yung mga totoong may malinis na hangarin, bihira yung mga ganong qualities. Hindi kaya may puwersa o kapangyarihan na nagluluklok sa kanila at nagpapatakbo sa mga kaisipan ng narcissist leaders na to. Hindi lang government ang minamanipula ng dark forces na to, kundi entertainment, business, religion. Nakakalungkot. Kung ano at sino man ang makapangyarihang pwersa na ito na nagpapatakbo sa mundo, ayaw nilang maging powerful tayong lahat. Ayaw nila na mamuhay tayo ng masagana at mapayapa sa mundong to. Ang gusto nila, mamuhay tayo in a survival way. Ang gusto nila, imbis na mag-unite ang bawat isa, we're all competing, comparing ourselves. We're all trying to fit in. We're all trying to impress others and seeking validation from outside of us, seeking love outside of us. While the truth is, everything is within us. Ano po sa tingin nyo? Maaaring katawa-tawa yung mga sinasabi ko. Pero isipin nyo, if we have workers of light helping us heal and remember ourselves on this planet, hindi imposible na merong dark forces manipulating all of us, manipulating these leaders to make our lives difficult. Bakit nga ba it's been challenging on this planet to live a life with real joy and bliss? Why can't this be a planet of love and unity? This planet was meant to be a paradise for all of us, a home, heaven on Mother Earth. I'm not forcing you to believe. You can laugh at me all you want, I don't care. Pero baka it's about time to check yourself. Know yourself in a deeper level, in a soul level, to make sure if you're following the forces of light or allowing dark forces to manipulate you. Spend time with yourself. Alone time. Tapos check yourself. Okay ba talaga ako? May dapat ba akong malaman? Feel your heart. Listen to your heart. Baka may sinasabi siya. Again, this is Lovely Liz and I'm sending you love and light.